Shweta Goswami from Hindustan Times in Delhi. We are at the heart of this metropolis from Connaught Place. I just walked down from my office and I'm right behind, in front of a bank here. And Christmas was just yesterday and we are bringing in the new year. And demonetization is something which hit us really hard. But we are out on the streets today to understand how the retail business and the media business and the food business are doing after what is called the Notebandi. So I'm here at Barakamba Road and I would like to talk to this man here selling newspapers and pamphlets. नोटबंदी की वजह से आप लोग का कोई फर्क पड़ा है बिजनेस में?
नहीं जी, हमारा फर्क कुछ नहीं पड़े हैं। फर्क इसका ये है न्यूज़ के ऊपर, न्यूज़ अगर सही होती है पेपर निकलता है, नहीं।
और चेंज का प्रॉब्लम?
चेंज का प्रॉब्लम हमारा छोटा ग्राम है, जिनका कोई ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। प्रॉब्लम बस यही है कि खबर चाहिए हम फोन पे देख लेते हैं, नेट देख लेते हैं, रेडियो और यूट्यूब देख लेते हैं, पेपर को बहुत कम लोग आते हैं। हम फोन देखते हैं, आप नेक्स्ट टाइम में कारोबारी वाले हैं जिनको
It seems his business is hit altogether by technology more than demonetization with with everything going digital. Mobile applications have come up and all. But we see here, the lines have reduced at banks here in the ATMs. And it seems that money has started flowing into these banks. So next we are going to come up here.
थोड़ा बहुत तो फर्क पड़ा है, ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो थोड़ा बहुत है। जैसे कोई 2000 का नोट देता है या 500 का नोट आता है, उसका ये सब मना करना पड़ता है। हिसाब ग्राहक को वापस करना पड़ता है।
और कोई 2000 के नोट्स देता है अभी भी?
हाँ, और हमें उसे मना करना पड़ता है, चेंज की प्रॉब्लम।
So change is still a problem here despite more than a month of demonetization. So we are now sort of walking towards the bank and let's check out how the banks are doing. Are there still queues? Are people still lining up this morning? Let's check it out. It looks like a lot of the queues have eased out and there are almost no queues. Everything is quite empty and peaceful. But now, there's fights and there were lots of unfortunate people fighting from 4 in the morning. But that does not seem to be the case right now. It's all settled and cash finally seems to be flowing in. And then we must sort of check out how the retail business has been affected. We have a man here who's selling gloves, which is really needed in Delhi's winters. And let me ask him how his business have been affected. Oh, he's just setting up his stall here. It's quite early for him to start his business over. Bhaiya ji, notebandi ki wajah se kuch farak pada hai?
This is live, right? I'm going to copy this link and it will say फर्क पड़ गया। पहले तो थोड़ा चल रहा था, ठीक चल रहा था। अब 2 महीने 8 तारीख नवंबर से हमें सेल नहीं है हमारी, और के बाद पैसा नहीं है। होता भी है, कोई आता है कस्टमर तो 2000 का नोट होता है, 100 रुपये 50 रुपये के लिए दुकान दिखाते हैं, तो फ़र्क पड़ा है बहुत, 50% होता है।
पहले कितना बिजनेस सेल होता था 1 महीने में और अभी कितना हो रहा है 1 महीने में?
पहले महीने में हमारा हो जाता था 15 से 18 हज़ार के महीने में, अब तो 7-8 हज़ार हो रहा, बहुत मुश्किल से।
So there we go. So he's telling that earlier, before demonetization, this man here used to earn at least 15,000 a month by selling these items like socks, gloves and belts and goggles. But now after demonetization, he's earning only about 7,000. That's the loss and that's the dent which demonetization has made on these sellers here. So even transportation, for that matter, has been impacted, and we have auto wala standing here since morning who's claimed that they've not got a single customer since morning. They say that people are offering big notes like 2,000 rupee notes, and they do not have change to offer. I have this auto rickshaw man who's standing here since morning. भैया नोटबंदी की वजह से कुछ फर्क पड़ा है आपको? क्या कैसे फर्क पड़ा है?
थोड़ा नोटबंदी नहीं है, काम थोड़ा ढीला हो गया, वैसे काम अच्छा हुआ। नोटबंदी से काम अच्छा हुआ है।
और यहाँ पे बहुत ऑटो वाले पेटीएम मोबाइल से पेमेंट करते हैं। आपके यहाँ पास ये फैसिलिटी है?
मेरे पास नहीं है।
आप लगाने की सोच रहे हैं?
हाँ लगा लेंगे, लगेगा तो लगा लेंगे।
So that's what demonetization has done. Clearly, auto walas are also now looking up to e-wallets like Paytm, Freecharge to sort of get their customers, to attract customers. And we have another auto rickshaw wala here. So let me ask him. आप Paytm यूज करते हैं?
सॉरी, इसमें लोगों ने बहुत कुछ कहा है, सुनने को मिला है कि बैंक में ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होता। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम वरीड अबाउट दिस कनेक्शन।
अच्छा, तो आपके बिजनेस में फ़र्क पड़ा है?
बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क पड़ा है। जब से नोटबंदी हुआ है उससे ग्राहक भी बहुत कम आते हैं और काम धंधा में भी बहुत मंदा हो गया। वैसे तो उससे पहले से ही था हिसाब किताब, और इससे
reduced after demonetization, and clearly people are lesser. I mean, the number of people out on the streets are very few now, and I think celebrations have also been affected to a large extent. And even the other day we went out to the wholesale market for household items at Sadar Bazaar to find out how Christmas sales have been affected because of demonetization, and it was not a favorable situation there because traders were wondering, and they were reeling under for want of cash, and they said markets do not have cash flow, ATMs don't work, and people are coming in lesser numbers. So we have this fruit seller here he has his fruits, his business sells like hot. It runs really good because it's all office goers here, and during lunchtime and breakfast time, he has a lot of customers. Let me ask him how his business is doing after demonetization. भैया जी,
बोलो जी।
नोटबंदी के बाद से और उससे पहले कुछ फर्क पड़ा था आपके
बिजनेस में? कोई फर्क नहीं, जैसा चल रहा है वैसे चल रहा है।
आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है जाके बाद सब
अच्छे दिन आ रहे हैं, अच्छे दिन के संकेत हैं।
So clearly there are some supporters of the Prime Minister's flagship scheme, and
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया के हम साथ हैं, अच्छी बात है, अच्छा काम किया है हिंदुस्तान। हाँ, अच्छी बात है, अच्छे दिन आएंगे 1 तारीख के बाद।
Acha. So let me just take you through what we found out today in this Facebook Live. So we walked at the heart of Delhi in Connaught Place, which and we spoke to a number of traders here, and their response was mixed by now because it's been a month and they think cash has started flowing in, while some of the traders said that there was no value in the The worst hit are the street sellers actually, more than those sitting in shops, because they are the ones who deal with hard cash, and 2,000 rupee notes do not work. We have some customers. I think we should also talk to a few customers here. General public, what they feel about demonetization. How has demonetization affected you?
That's a bit, but not
Do you think now it has eased out and initially the problems were much more?
No problem lगा from the queues have squeezed up now.
And do you support this move? What about you, sir? Do you support this move?
I am.
So clearly, despite all the hardships they face, people are still supporting Prime Minister Narendra Modi's demonetization move. And here we want to wrap up this Facebook Live. And what are your comments? Please like, share this Facebook Live, and do write your comments below. And how has demonetization affected you? One, and what do you think is going to be? I mean, how do you think the new year is going to be after this cash?